Welcome everyone to another edition of the Diddy Matrix. I'm Judge William Dawson, and I'm going to break down this case from a legal perspective for you so that we can get beyond all the rumors and all the hype on social media. Okay, Diddy's lawyers applied for bond once again, and once again they were denied. Now, what's interesting about this particular application, or at least motion for a bond, is that they established that they would have 24/7 security and surveillance to make sure he wasn't coming and going as he wished, and to make sure he wasn't getting certain guests or people responding or communicating with him. He made that in addition to, once again, offering $50 million for his bond. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the judge reviewed the case, but not before the prosecutor presented their side. And understand that the prosecutor is going against Diddy. So basically, they are not agreeing to a bond because sometimes the prosecution can agree, and it makes it much easier for us judges. But in this case, one side is asking for a bond, the other side is saying no. And in support of their rejection of the bond, they're saying that he's dangerous, that he's committed violence, that he's tried to tamper with evidence and obstruct justice. Now, what did they use? The video of him and Cassie resurfaced to indicate that he's a violent person. They also found out that he was communicating with people from jail using some type of contraband or illegal communication. Now, all that being said, the bottom line is the judge found that there are no set of circumstances or guidelines or even guardrails that could make the community safe if Diddy was released. Now, what does that say? I think that's a bit much. I know for a fact that us judges give bonds to murderers all across this country, and we don't have the same regard for the victim's safety that we're having for this community in this sexual situation, right? So I find that the judge is really overreaching, but keep in mind that is the nature of a legal proceeding when you have a prosecutor's side going against the defense side. The prosecutor does not want him released, and they are painting a terrible picture of him. But it all falls on the judge. What is the judge going to do? And in this case, the judge decided not to let Diddy go home for Thanksgiving, so far for Christmas or any other holiday, pending his trial in May of 2025. I think that's a bit overreaching, I must admit, because you can put in place a lot of circumstances, a lot of guardrails to make sure that he's doing what he's supposed to do. But I'm not the judge on this case, and it's only my opinion whether you like it, believe it, or agree with it. So until next time, it's Judge Dawson, and this is the Diddy Matrix. Make sure you stay out of the legal matrix. Take care.